What's up, guys? Alright, so I've been getting a lot of questions on the watering system that I have on these towers. I ordered some, and then I only got I guess I didn't realize that it only came with half the stuff I needed, so I got the rest of them yesterday. So here's what it is. First, you want to get a bucket. It doesn't matter the size of the bucket. You just want to make sure that you have enough headroom to be able to fill it up. That's why this one has a small bucket. And a mistake I made is I drilled the hole too high. So now I have this much water that doesn't get used. This one is just a little elbow. Let's see if I can see it. This side's threaded, that goes into there. And then it's got a little 90 elbow at the hose. I normally take a lighter and heat this hose up so it gets a little soft, and then I run it through here and it shrinks. Or you can get these things. This goes through the bucket and it locks into right there on that little ledge, and then this is what your hose will go on. Which these work a lot better than these thread things. I just get them at Lowe's. The problem I have with them is the threads. The water runs through them. So, what I normally do is I use plumber's tape on the threads, and then I put a little bit of silicone on the end. This is plumber's tape if you don't know. You just wrap that around the threads, and then I just use normal clear silicone, and that helps. What I did is when I bought the hose, I made sure that all the adapters would fit on it. And then you want to buy these tees. So this has it from the bucket. This one's going to the water cup, and this one is going to the next one. So it's on a system. And make sure you plan how you're going to run your hose. Like this one is on the inside of this bar. If I had a poop tray on this would just run this thing over. So on the ones with poop trays, I run them underneath the wire. There's different kinds of waterers. This one, well, it's dirty, is an out of the cage watering cup, and it'll sit like this. When it's empty, it sits up and the water turns on. Then once the water fills it up, it levels out and the water will quit coming in. Just like that. That might work better, but it just seems more technical and more things can go wrong, because even with these simple little tab things for them to hit and turn the water on, I have problems with them all the time. So yeah, you'll want silicone, plumber's tape. You got to make sure you have a drill bit that fits the thread that's going to go in the bucket. And then just, if you can find this thing, this came with the set of the Wynola Ranch one, so I'm not sure where these come from, but you can get the other adapters at Lowe's. And when you order your cups, these red cups, the ones I got did not come with these mounting brackets, so that's what I had to wait for. So make sure when you order the cups that you get the same amount of mounting brackets. Don't make the mistake I did. And yeah, you can run that as long as you want. And the bigger the bucket, the longer it'll last. And some of our systems are on 5-gallon buckets, but we don't fill them all the way up, because like I said, we run into problems with those cups, and there's nothing like having 5 gallons of water on your floor and through all these poop trays. It just runs through, and then like if this top one leaked, it'll land in the poop tray on the next roll over. It'll leak out the corner into the food tray. I mean, it's a mess. So I mean, we use 5-gallon buckets, but we definitely do not put 5 gallons of water in them. We might put like a gallon and a half, and that's it. I mean, we're out here 3-4 times a day anyways, so there's really no point in having all that water just waiting for something to happen. But yeah, that's the watering system, and like I said, it's pretty easy to run. Just make sure you plan it all out. Make sure you have a good pair of scissors, because you want your cuts to be straight, and a lighter to heat the ends. I don't know if you could see that, but these were burnt, and then once they cool off, they kind of shrink on there. It makes the rubber more pliable to get them on there nice and tight. And then you'll want to check to make sure you have no leaks, like this one. So yeah, after you do it, recheck it, double check it, put water in it, and use your finger. Make sure water comes out. Make sure water stops when it does come out. And check back often to make sure you can fix your leaks, because that's what I gotta do, is fix leaks now. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe. It encourages me to keep making these videos for you guys. Have a nice day.